So it is time to get steamy, guys. This is the facial steamer from Lux Skin. Let's try it on out. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a review video on a product, and it is this. So this is by the brand Lux Skin, and it is a facial steamer. I thought, why not treat myself? And I thought now is the perfect time to test it. I promised myself an early night. It's 10 o'clock and I ain't tired whatsoever. Surprise, surprise. But yeah, so we are going to test this out. Let's open it on up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. We have an attachment here. Let's just take it out of the plastic. So that is the first bit I've got out the box. We have a little cup here to pour the water in the steamer. And then we have the main device itself. Here it is, and we have a UK plug attached to it. Okay, there is some instructions here, which is great. We'll have a look at them. I'm just going to close this back up. Has it got anything on the box? No. Right, so back to the instructions. It says the benefits of using this device. You get results in as little as 1 session. It clears your pores. It stimulates circulation. Hydrates and softens the skin. Clear pores, helps to prevent breakouts, and it's suitable for all skin types. So how to use. Step 1, ensure the device is filled with water. Do not fill past the maximum level. Ensure the steamer head is fitted, then plug in the device. Once switched on, the steam will release after 20 seconds. When steaming, if some water droplets spill out, if too much water is added. Okay, so it shouldn't spill out then. Keep your face about 20 centimeters away from the steam. If there is not enough water in the base, then the steam will be weaker. When the water tank is empty, the steam will stop. We suggest to steam your face for a maximum of 10 minutes. And also on here, it's got some safety tips, which is basically just common sense. So just to quickly list through it, it just says if you feel any discomfort or anything like that, stop using it. Avoid using it for more than 10 to 15 minutes per day. The steam is hot and can cause burns, so don't hold it too close to your face, basically. Allow the device and water to cool down for 10 minutes after use, as it will be hot. Avoid contact with sunburn, dermatitis, and other skin conditions. Clean the device out once a week by removing the steamer head and give the base a good rinse out. And there's some frequently asked questions there. Again, it's all pretty much a muchness. I'll put it there. If you want to read them, just pause the screen. Let's take a closer look at the device. So here it is. It's very streamlined, very nice indeed. I love the shape of it. So at the front here, we have the on-off button. That bit here is where we fix this. But first things first, I am going to go get some water and fill my little measuring jug up. Right, so I have popped water in here. There's just a little sign on here. It just says, please do not add more than 50 millilitres of water. So I have filled it up to exactly 50. So this is the length of the wire. It's okay. It would have been nicer if it was a little bit longer. Luckily, I have an extension cable just underneath my little beauty table here. So I'm just going to quickly plug it in. I'm just going to pour the water in. Now we're going to attach this. So this bit here faces that way, so let's just pop it on somehow. Don't want to break it. Right, okay, I was having trouble putting it on there. I thought when you put it on it goes all the way down and clicks, but it doesn't. So it goes on like that and you twist. So there we go, it's nice and sturdy on there, it's not coming off. And turn it on. Oh, there we go, the light is on, and let's count. How long does it take? Bearing in mind this is the first time we've had it switched on, but hopefully it won't take long. It does say on the instructions there 20 seconds. I can hear it, can you? I can feel it bubbling away. And there you go. Can you see the steam? I don't know if it's showing up on camera. That is fab. So what I'm going to do is quickly turn that off one moment. I'm going to remove my makeup. We'll come back and I'll test it on out. Right, so the makeup has been removed. The mask has gone. Oh my god. And yes, also, if you have noticed, I am wearing a unicorn pyjama top. But let's get on with the video. So we're back to this. Let's turn it back on again. And yeah, I'll probably speed this up for you because it says to do it for 10 minutes and I'm going to do it for the full 10 minutes. And yeah, we'll see what my skin is feeling like. I haven't used a facial steamer in such a long time, guys, like such a long time. So let's turn it around and get steaming. Oh yeah, that feels lovely. If you see me looking off to the side for any reason, I have just got YouTube on and I'm just watching some of the people that I am subscribed to. Oh, that's so relaxing. So yeah, see you in a moment. I'll link the steamer down below in the information box and the comment box for you. If you want to treat yourself, just click on the link. So I was just looking at the benefits of facial steaming, and a few bits that I've found out are that it is very cleansing, it promotes circulation, it releases acne-causing bacteria and cells, it releases trapped sebum, it's really hydrating, it helps your skin better absorb skincare products, it promotes collagen and elastin, it's soothing, it helps with sinus congestion. Yeah, so all good stuff really, and I'm sure there's probably more benefits than that too. So that is done. You can hear the noise has changed. Yeah, it has changed, so we're just going to turn that off. While I was using it there, I didn't have a table that was lower, so I was just holding it flat. You are supposed to have this on a nice stable surface, but as I say, I made sure I held it pretty flat. But yeah, let's pop this to one side, pop it there a moment, and let's take a closer look. So as you can see, I look like a right sweaty Betty. But I feel really nice. It was nice and relaxing. It got very hot, but in a good way. Really enjoyed using that. Yeah, it was lovely. So I'm just gonna let this dry naturally, and I have a little bit more of a pamper session to go ahead with. Like I said before, if you are interested in purchasing this product, I will link it in the information box and the comment box for you. It's just off Lux's website. It's not affiliated at all in any way. I bought this with my own money and so on. And very glad that I did. It's really good. Let me get the box. The box did come a little bit dirty, a little bit damaged here and there, but the product inside was untouched and in really good brand new condition. Yeah guys, facial steamer, I can see me doing this. I'd like to do this a minimum of at least once a week, just to take some me time. I found it very relaxing, and yeah, it gets a massive thumbs up from me. I thought it was a decent price as well. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.